into back to school, but hey, here in the Midwest, it is still warm. I have some sandals here and I want to show you some outfits that you can transition into a fall. This is from Newbella. You purchase these on their website. They are direct to consumer brand. So the first pair that I want to show you is the Moose Fit Knit Detail Chunky Mule Sandal. The color I picked is beige. Here is what it looks like. It is a minimal heel, but still gives a little bit of height. This is fabric. It's got, oh, there's a little stretch to it, not a huge amount, but you don't want a huge amount because you don't want this to stretch out. Here's what the sole looks like. Now, Newbella was founded in 1992, and these were gifted to me from the brand for me to try out. Now, as I'm going through these, if you decide that you want to try these, I do have a discount code for 18% off. You can use the code STACI, S-T-A-C-I. I will have all the information with like the specific links to the each specific shoe and all info down below if you're interested. If you're like me, I like to wear my sandals until the very end, until it gets so cold that I just can't stand it anymore. If you're like me, even though these are open toe, you will be able to wear these September, October, the beginning of November, maybe pushing it, depending. I feel like this is a classic style that will not go out of style and that I'll be able to wear these next year as well. Their mission is to have comfort and style, both of those elements in shoes. And this pair, ooh, I love this color and this style. Comes wrapped like that. Look at it. Isn't this green a gorgeous color? And look at that heel. It's like a triangle. Or not like, it is a triangle. Isn't that cool? This, at the time of filming, is $59. There is some other colors that you can get if you're not into the green. Black, which always classic, orange, and if you want to do the Barbiecore thing, of course there's pink. Does have a square toe. I just love this style. If you're not sure on your size, they do have a size chart on every page that can help you with that. And if you get them and they don't fit right, you can exchange or return within 30 days. Next pair, another pair of sandals. I think that we can safely say that Espadrilles, they're just, you know, a classic now. They're never go out of style. Wedge thong. It almost feels like this part almost feels, I guess it reminds me kind of like a terry cloth towel is how I would describe it. So square toe. They also have, if you wanted to get this in green, this retails for $59, this pair. I have been wearing these shoes more, so I do have some thoughts on them. The most comfortable pair of shoes is this one. I would say these run true to size. I work from home, so I don't wear heels a lot, so it may be why, but I would say my least comfortable pair were these. And I think it's mostly because it does have a high arch. So just kind of keep that in mind if you like this style. Since you don't have a platform right here, you have more of that arch. If you're used to wearing heels, I don't think it'll be a problem. I should also show you some of the other styles that they have on their site, right? Because maybe these aren't your cup of tea, but let me show you what else they got. If you want, you can always go, they have a new in section, bestsellers, and then as you can see, it is sorted by sandals, Mary Janes, flats, boots. They even have bags, men's shoes. Let's look at the bags. Ooh, look at this one. Oh, and that. I mean, oh my gosh. I mean, look at these bags. These are awesome. Wow. I think I love them all. This would be perfect for the holiday season. You may want to get a jump start if you have weddings or you're gonna have holiday parties. I could spend all day looking on this website, so I'll have to wrap it up. Thank you so much for watching.